What's up, y'all? I'm finna eat this Dubai chocolate. I know it's been out for a minute, but this is my very first time. So here's my reaction.
Food giveaway.
Mm. Yeah, I'm scared to eat them. Look at how they really look. No good. I mean, it's good. Is it my typical type of candy I would eat every day? But every time I had to taste for it, probably not. It's good. Never had pistachios with chocolate. This shit is bomb. I just want to eat it every day. Not really a sweets person. I got bad. My fucking gums are bad. I get toothaches easy. But let's check one. Yeah, that chocolate was good. I fucked that shit off. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that chocolate was good, y'all. That shit was good. Well, I can come and show y'all that. And say y'all, I love y'all. And I will see y'all later. Peace.